This DS18 Car Speakers Bundle pairs 6.5-inch mid-range drivers with compact super tweeters to deliver a full, lively soundstage in a typical vehicle cabin. The mid-range speakers hit with impressive punch and clarity, giving vocals, guitars, and snares the kind of presence that budget factory speakers simply cannot match. The bullet-style tweeters add crisp, extended high frequencies, so cymbals, strings, and detail in modern mixes come through with sparkle without sounding harsh when properly tuned. Power handling is strong enough for serious aftermarket amplifiers, allowing the system to play at high volume for long drives without obvious distortion or thermal stress. Installers will appreciate that the components are straightforward to mount and integrate into existing systems, making this bundle a practical upgrade path for many different vehicles. Build quality feels solid and purposefully overbuilt for car use, suggesting that with correct installation, these speakers should deliver energetic sound for many years of daily driving.